Welcome back, everybody, to another Transformers figure review. Now, this may not seem like a normal review in my channel because I normally review transforming figures of Transformers, but now I've changed to model kits. As you can see here, I have a collection of Blokees right here. Let me just adjust that. So now I'm gonna be reviewing Action Edition Optimus Prime Transformers 1 slash Action Edition 4. I'll show you the box in just a second, but here's a quick look at Optimus or Ran Pax. You may call it more Ran Pax or Optimus. Okay, so now here is the box. Let me just zoom out. Here is the box. That is what the box looks like from the front side. I'm not gonna talk too much about the box, the sides, there we go, and the back. Here you got so many information here. Right. Wait. First of all, if you open the box, you can see there are many runners. Yeah, there are many runners. I'm gonna show you some stuff first. Here we have the manual book to make it. It's literally a book. Literally a book. Now, let me show you guys something that no other Action Edition has, except for this Optimus and Tom. This Optimus was the first one to do this. You get a card to scan using the Blokees app for your collection. Yes, just do that. Get a card. I'm not gonna show you my QR. Yeah, the backside looks like this. This is the QR. Yep. Hold on, let me just adjust my camera. Okay, now we're going to get through the figure itself. So this is a model kit, so it needs to be built with hand. I took like a day to build this, I think. A day to build, or just maybe a few hours. First, I'm gonna talk about the negatives on my figure. It hasn't been like 3 months. I bought this back in January 1st. So you can see here, my defects on this figure came yesterday when I was playing with it. So the leg here, look at it. It's supposed to bend. This thing is supposed to shift first, so it's a double jointed leg. The first joint needs to move first, but my problem is the left one. It's just doing, this thing is not shifting down. This thing is not shifting down. There. Oh, see, this is loose. Look at it. See, look at it. Look at it. Only my what do you call it? Left leg is loose, but the rest is all fine. Everything is fine. Only the left leg I have complaints. We here have his details from the movie Transformers 1. You can see that his iconic Death Tracker blaster it's not really iconic. I was about to say Ion Blaster, but it does not resemble the Ion Blaster at all. Let's do articulation. So his head is on a double ball joint. So you can look side to side, 360. Look up that far, look down that far, and rock side to side, like that. His shoulder pads if you move them like this, it will automatically do that. And also you can do flare it outwards like that. to both of his shoulders, and I'll show you some detail. This is what it looks like from the inside of his chest. You can see that he is still using his cog because I put him into Orion Pax mode. The waist, it can do a full 360. The best part is that ab crunch. When you're doing an ab crunch him, you can see a spinal detail. His spine moves with him as well. That's pretty amazing. And the legs can, since they're not like the classic class, which the hip skirts are just one solid piece. The hip skirts, they are one piece with the legs itself. So if you try to do, if you want to kick his legs up, his skirts are following the legs as well as you kick back. As I said in the beginning, the articulation on his leg, so I will be doing it with the right leg. So the legs can kick, can bend over that far, like that. Supposed to be like that. If your what do you call it, thigh pad or whatever this is not like shifting down, then that means it loose. I think it's just my theory. And then the legs here, my legs, foot, my foot. The foot here on my copy is like when I try to turn it to the side, it's very hard. It can move, turn 360. And if you want to do a dynamic pose, you can move the legs to the front like that. Let's see it from the side, like that. He has a toe bend as well. Very, look at it. That far. Okay, I think that is it for the articulation, and now I'll be showing you what accessories he has in just a minute. Okay, so first of all, you get a stand base, like most other action editions. Now you have here. Now you're wondering, what is this? This is a magnet. All action editions have it, so that you can light up your Transformer figures like that. I'm I'm recording this in the afternoon, in the evening, afternoon or evening. Okay, so you can't see it very well. You can see it. His eyes light up, and see that? That's his cog lighting up as well. Alright. Now, moving on to his accessories, I'll cover the hands first. Let me showcase you the hands. Here, I have placed the hands with their sets. So here's a pair of open hands, chill hands, like rest hands, and then a pair of dynamic hands. You can see that. His why he has so many hands? It's because he does not have articulated fingers. But all of these comes with an articulated thumb. Yeah, except for the fist hands and the pointing hands. And here is the only hand that is different from the rest because it only has one. This hand is used to hold Optimus's cog or Orion Pax's cog. Now this hand is for holding his blaster. Now we'll get to the weapons. Here you have the Death Tracker blaster. Oh wait, hold up. I forgot something. As you can see here, you might be asking, what is this? Now this is the handle. You can attach it to the Death Tracker blaster so that you can make it movie accurate. Now here is an axe. This axe is the Energon axe with the spinning effect. You can place it on Optimus's hands. I will show you how it looks on him later. Here we have his Energon X. Personally, my favorite accessories out of them all. Look at the sick details in here. That bluish edge on the tip of the X. And unlike the Galaxy version and the Classic Class version, this guy had his fingers painted. If you've watched the movie, you can see that his axe comes from within his hand. So yeah, nice detail. And now time for his Optimus Prime parts. This is the head. You can see that. It's really detailed. I like it. His chest, now his chest can open up. So how you open up is easy. But let me just focus it on the video. Okay, there you go. How you open up is really simple. You just need to. Oh yeah, and warning, my friend told me to be careful with this chest piece because when you're trying to open it like this, don't give too much pressure or it will break like that on the Optimus Prime chest piece. So how you open it is really simple. Just pull this, just pull the window part and it will automatically be like that. And the bottom part, you just need to do the same. Oops. There you go. And there we go. It's open like that. How you close it is the same way how you open it. And then his shoulder pieces. These look fantastic, amazing detail. I'm sorry if it's not really that focused to what I'm holding. And now you have the, what do you call it? Another chest piece which goes right here. As you can see, right here. It goes in here and it pairs with the Optimus Prime chest piece. Now, what you've been waiting for is the matrix of leadership. This looks fantastic. It's gonna look even more fantastic when it lights up inside of Optimus Prime's chest. Okay, so I am now going to change him into Optimus Prime. So how you change him is very simple. Just get him. You just need to pop his shoulder piece out, pop his head. You can see his double ball joint on the head. It's clear blue plastic. So his eyes will be even more blue when it lights up. Pop that shoulder piece. How you do the chest is really simple. You just need to pop this out. Pluck the cog out. And then just plug that out. Just plug that out. Now what we're going to do, I usually do the shoulder pieces first. So you just snap them right over there. Here, you just snap them right over there. So as you can see, there's this slot that this will slide into. Like that. Pretty simple. Now, for his head. Wait, his head. The matrix of leadership. There we go. Now for this piece. Oops, almost fell. And there you go. And now I'm gonna put his fist hands on him. There we go. He looks stunning in his prime form. Oh yeah, and one thing that I forgot to mention you guys about, let's mention the gimmicks. So first we'll light it up. The gimmick, you can see the matrix also lights up. See that? That's cool. I forgot to mention the the arms articulation. So the arms can move forward, backward. Basically a 360 like that. Move to the side, move to the side that far. It's not on a ball joint, but it can move like it's very articulate. It's not on a ball joint. You can see here, it's not on a ball joint. Look, you may think it's a ball joint, but it's not on a ball joint. And next, wait, this chest pieces. There we go. Now you have a mid bicep swivel, yeah. And then when you want to bend the arms, you can see that I'm trying. You cannot do that. What you need to do is he has drop down arms, so it can bend up to like that far, more than 90 degrees. There we go. And these things on his arms can flare outwards like that. I'll show you in just a sec why I mentioned that. And now we'll be putting on his weapons. So first of all, I'll put on his axe, Energon axe. Here you can see him holding the axe like that. Some poses. Yeah. And why I wanted to tell you guys about what do you call it? These parts flaring outwards is because, well, let me just show you in just a few seconds. I'm gonna make him do a pose. Show you guys why. Why I mentioned that. So if you flare it outwards, you can make him like his Energon axe is coming out from his hands like that. See that? It works even better if you use his spinning axe. Now this is also an explanation, a part of this that I'm gonna cover in this video. His axe can spin, like literally, look at that. It works even better if you use a spinning axe. Now, time for the Death Tracker Blaster. So, just turn him like that. I'm really disappointed in the fact that it hasn't been 3 months and this part of my Optimus Prime's leg is loose. Okay, so now, oh, okay. Okay. Wait a second, guys. Let me just do something off camera. So, as you can see here, if you want to to make him hold the Death Tracker gun, wait, let me just, you cannot make him hold the Death Tracker gun using this. What you gotta do is just pluck that out and get one of his holding hands. In which hand you like? I personally like to use the right one. There we go. There you go. You have him holding his Death Tracker gun. He looks amazing. Now here, we'll show you of him holding his T-Cog. What you need to do is you just grab his hand. Just plug that in and grab his T cog like this. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna plug that in this hole. You can see there's a plug. Now just there you go. You'll have him holding his T cog, and you can articulate the thumb to make him look like that he's really holding it like that, like that. So cool. All right. And I forgot to mention, he has swappable eyes, but I'm not gonna show you those swappable eyes because you you can't see them in broad daylight. You can only see them when it's placed on the head and it's light up. But I am gonna show you his faceplate. So you already saw the Orion Pack's faceplate. It's a neutral faceplate, and here you get four faceplates: neutral, masked, and a disgusted face and an angry face. You can see here the masked face. I'll show you. Wait, let me just see which face is this. This is the disgusted looking face. Looks like that. Oops. Just show you guys really quickly what it. Oh, it keeps falling. It looks like that. Now I'm going to show you an angry face. Looks like that. Okay, I think that is it for today's review, and you'll be expecting me to you'll be expecting me to upload a ton of Blokees unboxing and reviews. I think that is all for today's review. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My goal here is to reach 50 subscribers so that I can use the live what do you call it? Live feature on YouTube. If you wanna subscribe, it's all up to you. It's free to do and it helps out a ton. Alright, I think that is it for my video today. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in the next video.